For great collaborations, you need flexibility. Meet Series 1 Board 65 and Desk 27, new from Google and Avocor, a leader in interactive displays. The Google Meet Series 1 portfolio has everything you need to turn any room into an immersive video collaboration experience for everyone, from any space, to connect, to create, to collaborate. For team spaces, Board 65 brings plug-and-play simplicity, video conferencing, and digital whiteboarding in one sleek device. Smaller, but no less powerful, Desk 27 sits perfectly in personal workspaces and on shared desks, at the office or at home. Both Board 65 and Desk 27 put integrated digital whiteboarding at your fingertips, so everyone can participate from wherever they are. For flexibility, Series 1 room kits let you build any sized meeting space. The Series 1 family combines advanced hardware with Google AI, so everyone is clearly heard and clearly seen from anywhere in the room. Simple to deploy, simple to manage, simple to use. Google Meet Series 1. It's technology that gets out of the way so you can get more done.